Hello, and welcome to this week's Meaningful Minute. You know, for the last 2 weeks, I've been talking about how our story has a happy ending and that all will be well. But there are many people that don't believe this because they believe that most people are going to hell. I personally do not believe this, and let me tell you why. In the Bible, Jesus says, "If I be lifted up, I will draw all people to myself." And there's also a verse that says, "Every knee will bow and every tongue will confess that Jesus is Lord." The Bible also says that God is love. And in 1 Corinthians 13, it defines love. And love is patient, love is kind, but love never gives up and love never fails. So God never gives up on us. And in order for this to be a reality, once we die, we still have chances. We can still choose God after we die. He continues to pursue us. He never gives up on us. And eventually, everyone will surrender to God. It's going to take time, but it will happen. I really believe that. The early church fathers believed this, but as the church became institutionalized, the people in power said, if we can't make people afraid of going to hell, how are we going to control them? So they branded these people that believed in the restoration of all things as heretics, and that whole doctrine fell into disuse. But it's being resurrected today. And so, something to chew on for sure this week, and have a great week, and know that all will be well for everyone.